Welcome to my channel everyone. Hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. So in this particular video we are going to see the structural difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. So let's proceed. First we will see the structure of nucleoside, and we had seen that whenever we are talking about nucleic acid we consider both RNA as well as DNA. So here we are going to see the structure, how this structure are formed. So when we are talking about nucleoside, it is the composition of pentose sugar plus nitrogenous bases. So we had seen in previous video the structural difference of deoxyribose and ribose, which are pentose sugar, and we had also seen the trick to learn the names of nitrogenous bases. So nitrogenous bases, we know that they are purine and pyrimidine, purine and pyrimidine, bonded with glycosidic bond. So the bond formation between nitrogenous base and pentose sugar is glycosidic bond. So first we will see the binding pattern with pyrimidine. So we have seen the structure of pentose sugar, and we have seen the structure of nitrogenous bases. So this is carbon at one position, carbon at second position, carbon at third position, carbon at fourth, and carbon at fifth position. Now we are talking about binding pattern in pyrimidine, and we know that pyrimidine is a single benzene ring structure having two nitrogen. So this is nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the bond formed. Now the position 1, the nitrogen which is present at position 1 of pyrimidine will attach to the carbon at position 1 of pentose sugar. So this is nitrogenous base, this is pentose sugar. This N1 will bind at this carbon position, at carbon position 1, like this. So this is how binding take place by the form glycosidic bond between sugar and nitrogenous base. So when it is pyrimidine, the N1 binds to C1. So this is very important point. So we know that purine is a double ring structure. So nitrogen at position 9 of purine will bind to the carbon 1 of pentose sugar in case of purine. So the position and the binding will be N9C1, and the bond formed is glycosidic bond. So this is how the structure appears for nucleoside. So when it is nucleotide, the structure will remain same for pentose and nitrogenous bases. So we write it as nucleoside plus phosphate group. So this phosphate group is a new thing which is added into this nucleoside, and then the nucleotide is formed. So the structure of nucleotide is single bond O, so this is a phosphate group. Now this phosphate group attaches at the carbon 5 of pentose sugar. Carbon 5 of pentose sugar, where this phosphate group gets binded. Now this binding takes place by the elimination of OH from CH2OH. This OH from carbon 5, carbon which is at 5th position, then from the carbon which is present at 5th position, this OH group is removed, and by the elimination of this OH, this phosphate group get attaches at this position. So how it looks, it POCH2. So this is the carbon which is at 5th position. So phosphate group are attached at the 5' carbon or 5th position carbon. Rest the structure with pentose sugar and nitrogenous bases are same because we had named them nucleoside. The new thing which is added here is the phosphate group. So phosphate group get attached at the 5th position of carbon. So this is how the structure of nucleotide appears. So we can see here that the phosphate group is attached at the 5' position, and rest the structure is same. For N1 it will be pyrimidine, for N9 it will be purine at carbon 1 position. So this structure we can see that this pentose sugar structure is a nucleoside, and when the phosphate group is added, it becomes, the whole becomes nucleotide. So this is nucleotide. So this is the structure of nucleotide. So I would like you to name the diagram which is appearing here, which I had drawn here, for what nucleotide it is. Either it is rabo or it is deoxyribonucleotide, and what will be the form for deoxyribonucleotide. So I want you to write it in the comment section. So this is all from this video. If you find this video beneficial, so please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram link.